Hi, I'm Ella.
And I'm Tika.
And today we're going to be talking about browser extensions. So we have a couple favourites in the office, but first, before we jump into that, Tika, what is a browser?
So a browser is how most people access the internet. They include programs like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, so there's just a couple of them.
Yeah, and there's been some research showing that Chrome is actually the most used browser worldwide, and that's actually the one that we favour within the office. So we tend to access our extensions through Chrome. Tika, what is an extension?
So an extension is like a little tool that you can download for your browser, which, you know, there's so many tools out there and it just makes your life on the internet a bit easier. So each browser has its own little marketplace which you can download extensions. Most of them are free and they're really easy to download and use.
Yeah, and we've definitely got our top ones that we like to use in the office. Helps us maximise our time. So Tika's going to kick us off with one of her most used browser extensions.
Yeah, so I really like the browser extension called Window Resizer. So that'll comes with a bunch of preset window sizes which correspond to different devices. So there's, your iPhone, small laptops, larger desktop screens. So it'll help you figure out the breakpoints in your website and how your website will display on different devices. So it's not necessarily a substitute for checking on your mobile or your tablet, just because the interactions between on a website and a phone are different because the way you use your mouse and your fingers. But it's good to see how it displays on different screen sizes and if there's any issues between screen sizes.
Yeah, so one of the browser extensions that I like to use is called Awesome Screenshots. It's really helpful in a sense that it allows you to take a screenshot of an entire page rather than just the section that you're looking at on your screen. It also has functions that allows you to draw on it, write comments, which can be quite beneficial if you have an issue on your computer and you're trying to communicate that to an IT person or your web developer. You can actually take a screenshot of that issue and write your problems on it and send it through. Will help you resolve that problem faster. It's also a great tool to help with training. So again, because it has that function where you're allowed to write on it, you can take photos of the steps and the procedure and use that as a training tool in the future.
So a Chrome extension that I really like is Colorzilla. So basically it's an eyedropper tool where you can select any colour on a page and it will give you the RGB or colour numbers to be able to use this elsewhere, whether it be in design software. You can send it to your developers so they can use it. And using this tool is a really great way of keeping all your colours consistent. So if you forget which tone of orange you might have used in your last email out, now you know.
So Grammarly is this amazing plugin. It's basically an online spell checker. Anytime you've got to write anything online, email, contact forms, it'll automatically go through, pick up spelling errors, point out incorrect word choices, get amongst it. It's amazing.
Does trying to remember your passwords drive you crazy? Well, there's a great Google Chrome extension called LastPass that you can download, and that'll save you having to remember any passwords ever again. First, you need to go to lastpass.com and create yourself an account. It's free for an individual user. Then go to Chrome and download the extension. What this will do is autofill any of your username and passwords for any of the websites that you've used before. And if you've just created a new login, LastPass will help you generate a secure password and save that username and password to your vault. So next time you go to that website, it'll autofill the passwords for you. So there you go, there's our top 5 browser extensions. We hope it makes your life a bit easier.